Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to give you 5 tips that can potentially save your drone from crashing, and I also going to test my Mavic Pro's flying range to see how far it can fly in a straight line after 3.5 years of continuous abuse. So yeah, let's get to it. This number here shows you the exact distance the drone traveled from the initial takeoff point in meters.
More carrots. Don't tear it.
Tip number 1. Always try to fly against the wind. First of all, it makes the journey for your drone back to you quicker and safer. And if the wind is too strong, you'll still have time to get your drone back.
You come from the west side. The left side.
Tip number 2. Learn to navigate from the air. As if you were a bird, you need to be able to orient yourself while you're flying your drone. Doing this saved my drone more than once. Here's how. I was flying it on the mountain top when suddenly the wind grabbed my drone and pushed it further and further away from me. Without good orientation, I couldn't fly it back to me. I know you say I can just call my drone home and I don't have to do anything, but the call home option is not going to work when your drone is being pushed by the wind. The only thing you can do is to actually lower the height manually and fly closer to the ground using the drone's camera to judge direction and avoid flying into objects. Tip number 3. Always be super careful while flying your drone close to water, especially rivers, because the water messes with the drone's depth sensor and your drone can drop into water if you're not careful.
Where's Garrett?
Tip number 4. Never ever drink and fly. I only did it once and I paid the price.
The left side.
Tip number 5. Always fly high. And no, I don't mean you're supposed to be high while you fly your drone. What I mean is the higher your drone is, the safer it is going to be. You want it to be as far away as possible from objects, because flying into objects is the #1 reason people crash their drones.
Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry.